Okay, everybody, we're going to talk about article organization. What are sections? What are categories? I think that it's really important to set up as many sections and categories in your back end as possible, as opposed to just start throwing articles up. So we're going to teach you article management first. So to create a section, you'll click on that button there. Now sections are like file cabinets on your site. Categories are like files, and articles are like pieces of paper that go into those files. So click New, and we'll just put in Joomla Basics. Okay. For Joomla Basics, the title. Joomla Basics alias can appear in this bar, in the address bar, if we have search engine friendly URLs. You'll also notice a description with sections and categories, and that description can be used to be an intro with a blog. So you could put a description in here and have it appear on the page. We'll hit save, and that's going to create our first section, our first file cabinet. Now what we're going to do, we go to Content, Category Manager. So this is going to allow us to create categories that go in that section. You can sort it by right here. It says Select Section, Joomla Basics. That's one we just created. Okay, and we'll create a couple new ones. So we'll do one for menus. Hit save. We'll do another one for extensions. Notice the aliases are lowercase, and also notice we have a description area. We'll hit save for that. So now we have sections and categories that articles can go in. So we could write articles about menus, or we could write articles about extensions. Okay. If we want, we could we could also do one for, let's create another section, and we're going to call it front page. And we'll create a category for that as well. See, front page, there's no articles in it yet, no categories in it yet, I mean. Now, what I'm setting this up for is if I have articles that are only going to appear on the front page and they're not going to relate to any specific menu item. So basically, when you set up your menus, a lot of times you are outputting blog formats for articles. And so my menu, let's say in my Joomla Basics tutorials for about menus, I would put all my articles for menus in this menus category. And the same thing goes, articles about extensions would go in this category. If it really related to nothing but I wanted it on the front page, I'd put it on the front page category. So the next tutorial, we're going to teach you how to create articles, and we're going to teach you about the parameters in those articles and how you can use it in terms of the menu and how things are going to appear on the site.